I'm going for black with a splash of colour today, starting with my hero within, Batman jeans. The belt is Picky-Poo from Paris. This is one of those belts where you can attach multiple buckles. And a classic Liberty print shirt. Shoes, it's either black or black. It's the patent leather OOTD or the Fluevog motorcycle cowboy boot. I'm going for the Fluevog. You'll see why when I show you the jacket. Glasses, continuing the black theme, the Ray-Ban Clubmaster. Perfume is my much loved Parfum-themed Garçons. Don't know why, but you can see how much I love it. And motorbike jacket from Karl Lagerfeld. This leather is so soft. I love that the hardware is all gunmetal grey, not the usual silver, and all Karl branded. Done.